Welcome to the project demonstration of biometric vehicle ignition system along with security alerts of pics to the email. So here we have the features like fingerprint scanner with help of the R307 fingerprint module and ESP32 camera. So when we are trying to access the vehicle by placing the finger on this fingerprint scanner, then if it is authorized means already stored, then the system will on the motor with help of transistor board. So here we are using this DC fan as a ignition controlling system. And next, whenever the unauthorized person trying to access the system, then the system will identify that is unauthorized person is not stored inside the memory, and then the ESP32 camera will capture the photo and send that photos to the Gmail. And also we are going to provide the buzzer audible alerts and alert message on the LCD screen. So here we are going to connect, we have connected the fingerprint module at A0, A1 and ESP32 camera at B0, B1 for communication to send the commands from microcontroller to ESP32 camera. And next this one is storage push button, and this one is to format the whole data inside the fingerprint module. And here we are using BC547 transistor to control this fan. And here also same board we can observe this consists of buzzer and this consists of the fan, and LCD module buzzer at D3 pin and a fan at D2 pin, and LCD at pin number B2 to B7. These two control buttons interface at D0, D1. So here we are using PIC 18F452 microcontroller to communicate between the input and output modules. So on this motherboard, so the only the thing is main components are like this one is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller, and the steel plate one is a crystal oscillator to provide the clock pulse to the microcontroller. So the main purpose of the oscillator is, so we have provided already some set of instructions to the controller. Those are like reading the input and reading input from the control buttons and controlling the output modules along with LCD display. So these instructions set need clock pulse. One clock pulse equal to one instructions. Like that we are providing 20 mega clock pulses, nothing but 20 megahertz clock frequency, so that controller can execute 20 mega instructions per second. So remaining components are not used in this model. So as we are providing directly DC 5 volts power supply which is of 2 amps current directly to the motherboard with help of this adapter. So let us see the demonstration. So before switching on the kits, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So change the hotspot name to project 5166 and the password should be 129. So the project name should be like project 5166 without any space and without any capital letter. So we need to do like this, the project 5166 and password should be 129. So after that you can log on to the Gmail and you can stay on the screen. So now let me explain you the procedure to format and store the new fingerprints. So when we are switch on the kit, so there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen. We can see that. Okay, so now it is working module directly to scan the fingerprints. So when you want to format the fingerprint module, just then hold this F button and press and release, means restarting the controller. Then you can see the data erasing, data erased, and please restart. Okay, and next storing purpose, press S button again, restart, then continuously on. So place the finger, so on the LCD display it will show like thank you take off finger. So right, stored fingerprint one. Again you can place the one more finger also for accessing purpose. Thank you take off the finger. So it didn't stored actually. Place it again. Right, stored it third number. So right now if you want to demonstrate final model, you can restart. You can see the one device is connected in your mobile phone, so to your hotspot. So one device is connected now. Gmail, right. So stay on the Gmail screen. So now if authorized person place the finger, authorized person, right, and the fan got switched on, the ignition got switched on. So let us see unauthorized person. So it doesn't exist and it is capturing the photo. It will take maximum of 10 seconds to reach in your inbox, and based on the network speed the time may increases. Right, so we got the photo. So now we got the 521. So it captured my photo directly. So in this manner we are going to provide the security access for the vehicle ignition along with email alerts for the theft detected person, for the before theft detection.